So risk, if I keep that simple, risk is equal time to the consequence, which is dollars, times frequency, which is frequency per year. If I plot that, so if it's $1 and it happens 100 times a year, my risk is still $100. Or it's $100 times once a year, still $100. So that's how we get these curves from that one equation. We just change those numbers and then we get a curve plotting across our chart there. What's important here is to realise that risk, that curve is the same risk of the company. So down here, high consequence, that big explosion that blows up the place, once only, huge consequence, don't want to do that. That's obviously going to destroy the business. The trouble is that risk is the same. So if I have a problem that comes back again and again and again, over the years, that cost is the same. So repeating problems that cost a little bit of money but are always there, I'm always fixing those, in the end, as bad as the whole place blowing up. The money goes. Instead of being a bucket of money, it's a little drip. Drip here, little drip there, little drip there. The trouble is the business pays for the lot. So I cannot carry small risks that repeat because that is a leak. And that leak eventually will drain the business out. If I've got many leaks, I am forever putting stuff in the top to replace what's been leaking out. That was the trouble that these guys were suffering. Half of what they're doing repeats every 3 months. 1/3 every month. They had massive little leaks. They had massive, thousands of these little leaks, sucking money, sucking the blood out of their business. Because the big stuff everybody sees, that's a big problem, we protect against that. They forget about the small ones. And the small ones are as bad as the big problems in the end. So I've got to be careful. That's what risk is about. Risk is that curve. Anywhere along that curve is the same money I'm losing. It happens to be one event here across 10,000 events. But I've got 100,000 events happening every day. So I can lose money very, very fast, but a small amount each time.